Hey everybody, it's Dan Mikic. If you are a course creator struggling to generate leads or feeling stuck when it comes to growing your audience, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal an easy and effective way to build a simple system that works for you 24/7 without needing advanced tech skills, spending hours in front of your computer, or breaking the bank. In this video, I will guide you step by step through how to use email automation to connect with your audience, nurture leads, and convert them into loyal students. This strategy has helped me tremendously in my journey as a course creator, and I'm confident it will help you too. So, let me give the context to what we are going to deal with. Why email marketing? Email marketing remains one of the most effective and reliable ways to communicate directly with your audience. The concept is simple: send personalized, targeted emails straight to people's inboxes. Whether it's a newsletter, promotional offers, or valuable resources, email marketing ensures your message is seen and heard. What I found out is that email marketing has the unique power to establish personal connections, making it a highly effective tool. Unlike social media platforms where algorithms decide how many of your followers see your post, emails land directly in subscribers' inbox. This ensures that your message reaches your target audience without interference. You control the message and timing. Additionally, unlike these platforms which can easily terminate your group or page, leaving you without anything, email marketing provides a stable channel for communication. As a course creator, this direct line to your audience is invaluable. You can share updates about your courses, provide exclusive content, or offer personalized recommendations that keep your audience engaged and eager to learn more from you. And with tools like analytics, segmentations, and A B testing, you can refine your strategy, ensuring your emails deliver measurable results. And the best part is that if you are just starting and haven't built an audience yet, you can use email marketing to begin collecting leads and nurturing your audience. Now that we've covered why email marketing is such a powerful tool, let's take it a step further and talk about email automation sequences. If you ever received a welcome email after signing up for a newsletter or reminder about items left in your cart, you've experienced automation in action. These sequences are pre-written, strategically timed emails that are sent automatically based on user behavior. It's like having a virtual assistant working behind the scenes, nurturing leads and guiding them through their journey with your brand. Automation isn't just efficient, it's incredibly effective. For example, if someone signs up for your free resource, an automation sequence can deliver a welcome email followed by a series of emails showcasing the value of your course. By staying in touch consistently, you build trust, keep your audience engaged, and increase the likelihood of conversion. As a course creator, I know firsthand how challenging it can be to move from creating amazing content to actually selling it. Over the 5 years, I've learned that having great courses isn't enough. You need a system to connect with potential students and guide them toward enrollment. Remember, your potential students first have to know you before they buy from you. I first needed to start building an audience from scratch and ensure they know me before they considered enrolling in my courses. I've created sequence like a 7-day email course with downloadable resources, quizzes, and homework. These sequences provide immediate value to my audience, showcasing my expertise and building interest in my paid offerings. If you are a course creator looking to generate leads, effective automation sequence can do the heavy lifting for you. And the best part, once you set them up, they work for you on autopilot, saving you time and energy while consistently delivering results, generating new leads, and attracting new customers. Before we dive into the step by step guide, let me introduce the software we'll be using. Selzy is an email marketing platform designed to make the entire process easy and accessible, no matter your level of experience. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned marketer, Selzy offers powerful features within a user-friendly interface. From its drag-and-drop email builder to its library of over 140 customizable templates, creating professional and branded emails has never been easier. What sets Selzy apart is the commitment to combining simplicity with robust functionality. It provides tools for segmentation, A/B testing, and advanced automation, allowing you to craft highly effective campaigns tailored to your audience. And with the pricing starting at just $7 per month for unlimited emails, it's a budget friendly option for a course creator and small business alike. And another standout feature of Selzy is its stellar customer support. Their team is available 24/7 with response time often under 5 minutes. This level of reliability is invaluable, especially when you are setting up a campaign and need quick assistance. Now that we've covered the basis, it's time for the fun part, building a simple and your very own email automation sequence. In this step-by-step guide, we'll create a 7-day email course that automatically delivers Scrum lessons to new subscribers using Selzy. And you will learn how to set up a system where anyone interested in your service receives digestible lectures, downloadable resources, quizzes, and homework directly in their inbox for 7 days. So let's get started and create an email sequence that not only engages your audience but also sets them on the path to becoming your loyal students. The email course schedule. So, day one, what is Scrum? We'll introduce the fundamentals of Scrum, introducing its core principles, values, and benefits. On day two, Scrum team will dive into the roles and responsibilities of Scrum team members, the product owner, Scrum master, and developers. On day three, Scrum events will explore the key Scrum events, sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and the sprint retrospective. Day 4, Scrum Artifacts. We'll discuss the essential Scrum artifacts, product backlog, sprint backlog, and product increment. Day 5, Scrum Commitments. We'll examine the commitments made during sprint planning, sprint goal, and sprint backlog. On day 6, top tips for successful Scrum implementation. We'll share practical advice on how to implement Scrum effectively, including common pitfalls and best practices. On day 7, challenges, benefits, and your next steps with Scrum. We'll wrap up the course by discussing potential challenges and benefits of Scrum and provide guidance on how to continue your Scrum journey. Bonus free Scrum video course as a surprise will offer a free video course to further enhance your understanding. And this is the place where we could invite our students to join us in the next level in our paid version of our courses. What you will need: business email address. This is recommended for creating automation. A link with instructions to get one is provided in the description if needed. 7 email copies. We need to content for each day's email. I've already prepared them as an example. And building the course in Selzy. So creating a contact list. I will create a specific list for this Scrum email course to organize subscribers effectively. Then we'll create an automation. I will set up a workflow that automatically sends emails based on the trigger, for example, subscribing. Then we will design a subscription form. We'll create a simple form for visitors to sign up for the course, and then we'll embed the form. You will need to copy the code and add it to your website to capture leads. Next steps. I will walk you through each step in detail within Selzy. For now, let's register free account, and you can do this alongside me. The registration process is straightforward. Okay, now Let's go to the Selzy account registration page. You can click here, start for free. Okay, this is my dashboard. Now, what we need to do is just a couple of things. I'm on my free plan. We have 30 days to test the tool, so we can decide if we are going to buy it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to create a contact list. So this is a specific list for a Scrum email course to organize subscribers effectively. Okay, because I could have multiple campaigns, and for each campaign I could have a separate list. So click here, contacts, lists, and now click create a list. So I will name my list like Scrum email course. Okay, click create. Now we can add contacts if we have contacts. If we don't, just leave it as is. Okay. The second step is to create an automation. So I will set up a workflow that automatically sends email based on the trigger, for example, subscribing. We have to go to automation, click all chains, and then we need to create a chain. I will click here empty chain, but we have multiple templates that we can use. But for this purpose, I just want to create a chain from scratch. Now we need to set up a chain trigger. The chain trigger for this is when a subscriber joins a list in any way. So you can click here. And then we will select one or more lists. So we have already created in our first step Scrum email course list. So I will create this list and add a block. When subscriber joins to this list, then we will now create a trigger. So the first block is to action, send email, manage list, fields, and tags. So click here and send email to subscriber. So click here. And this is our first email. I've already created my email sequence. Now let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, I have a 7-day Word documents. I have day 1, day 2, day 3. Let me show you how the day 1 looks like in Microsoft Word document. So this is a subject, this is hello, some images, some text, and this is one of the lectures that we will cover in the email number 1. Okay, some homework, couple things about me, my email address, and that's it. This is second lecture. And all the way up to the day number 7. Then we'll have a bonus day, which is day number 8. And the type of the sequence, when subscriber joins the group, I will send what is Scrum lecture, which is day 1 of 1, then wait 1 day, then send lecture number 2, which is Scrum team, then wait another day, and so on and so forth. Let's open this document, and then I will go and copy the subject, lecture 1, okay. And in email body, I will copy all this, paste. Okay, now in additional settings, so the first email should be delivered immediately, so without delay, add block. Okay, now we need to set an email, a business email. I will put in the description of the video how to create a business email if you don't have it. Save. So let's go to the step number 2, which is day 2. Action, send email. Okay, now I will open again my document. I will copy this to subject from email. Let me copy the rest of the email. Number 2. And now, since this is a day 2, we'll set a delay time in 1 day. ad block. So this is the day 1. It will be sent immediately when someone signs up, and this email will be sent 1 day after this one. Let's add one more for this presentation. Send email, day 3. And then I will set a delay time again in 1 day. That's it. I will repeat the 7-day steps. Let's put the name of the chain here. It's a Scrum email course. And once we are finished, let's assume that this is lecture 8 or day 8. Just final step, which is our result, success. Description, ad block, success. So the goal is achieved. 8 emails are being delivered. Once we are done here, we need to save. Once we click save, we need to activate this email sequence. Now let's go back to our dashboard, and when we go to automation, all chains, now we have our first Scrum email course email automation sequence. Next thing we need to do is to design a subscription form. We'll create a simple form for visitors to sign up for the course. Now let me show you how to do that. You go to Tools, Subscription Forms, and then to create a form. Create a form, Scrum email form. Create. This is our builder. When we click on this block, we'll have some properties, and we will need to add a new field, which is name. We usually want to have a name, email, and subscribe button. First, click here on the block, and then add new field. Okay, we have a name. Click here. We need the name to be on the top. So just go here and move it over the email. So name, email, and subscribe. Now we can play here with colors, with font family, with background, to customize the layout and so on and so forth. But let's just leave it as is. We can here view as a mobile or as a desktop. Once we are done, click Save. Form type is embedded. Save and continue. And click Activate. Save and exit. So this is our form. Now, all we need to do is to add this to a list. Whoever signs up with our form, we need to put them in the list that we created in the first step. Okay, so this is the place where we need to set this up. Scrum email course list. Okay, once we are done, you can go here to HTML and just copy the code. Now let me show you how this works. We are done. Basically, we are done. I will just open the notepad. I will paste the code here. And I will save this code as, let's call him Scrum email on the desktop. Save. And let me show you how this looks like. Let's say that I'm my first subscriber so that you can see how things work. So I will put my name here. And I will click subscribe. I'm not a robot. Okay. Now let's go to my email. Okay, so please confirm your subscription. Yes, confirm. Okay, and here you go. This is our first lecture. The same time next day we will get the lecture number 2, and so on for the next 8 days. To wrap things up, email automation is one of the most effective strategies for course creators to generate leads and grow their audience. And with Selzy, the process is easy and as it is impactful. Selzy's combination of simplicity and advanced features like if-else conditions, customizable templates, and powerful automation tools makes it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Users consistently praise its intuitive design, excellent customer support, and strong deliverability rates. As a course creator, using a platform like Selzy allows you to follow on delivering value to your students while your email sequence handle the lead generation for you. And with its affordable pricing and free trial option, there is no reason to give it a try. Just go to selzy.com. Click the first link in description to explore Selzy and take your email marketing to the next level. Start today and let's make your courses irresistible to your audience. Take care and I will see you in the next video.